Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to hide active status on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide active status on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. And on this interface guys, in order to hide your active status, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon at the bottom right. On a profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. And on this interface, again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three line icons. Tap on it guys, and over here scroll down until you can find the messages and story replies option over here. Tap on that, and over here again, in order to hide your active status, tap on the show activity status. Tap on that show activity status, and you can see the show your active status option available for us. Now in order to hide your active status, simply tap on the toggle icon and it will be turned off or turned to gray, which means that your active status on Instagram will be hidden. And there guys, this is how to hide active status on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.